Hey there, Appsec engineers. Forbes said that IT security salaries are some of the highest in the world, and they're only getting higher. So are you wondering why you haven't been able to reach that coveted $100,000 salary in the field of information security? Well, today we are going to explore 7 things that might be holding you back. Let's call it the security career worst practices. Reason number 1. Not actively engaging in high growth areas like DevSecOps and Cloud Security. The industry is evolving rapidly, and being part of communities and webinars focused on these high growth areas can provide you with invaluable knowledge and networking opportunities. Stay in the loop and adapt your skill set accordingly. Reason number 2. Not finding your tribe online. Building connections and networking with like-minded professionals is essential for growth. Look for communities, groups, and platforms where you can engage with fellow InfoSec enthusiasts. Twitter, Discord, and LinkedIn are great places to start. Surround yourself with the right tribe, and together you can achieve greatness. It'll give you a sense of what area interests you the most. Maybe it's bug bounty red team stuff. Maybe it's defensive blue team stuff. Maybe it's SRE stuff. Maybe it's cloud security. Maybe you belong with the API folks. Hell, maybe it's sales. You'll know if you're out there. Reason number 3, not following and engaging with the right influencers. In the digital age, influencers play a significant role in shaping industry trends and providing valuable insights to their followers. Identify thought leaders and experts in the information security field and follow their content. Engage in discussions, share your thoughts, and learn from their experiences. Maybe even challenge their beliefs. Nothing kills imposter syndrome like having a group of people agree with what you might believe is an unpopular opinion. It's a powerful way to stay informed and connected. Reason number 4. Not participating in webinars and conferences. Attending industry events like blackhat, RSA, DEF CON, B-Sides ensures people forget about you fast. The energy and ambition you feel in these conferences is electric. There are so many great webinars and podcasts out there. That's a whole video in itself. So I'll link some in the description below. Inspiration for your next great career adventure might be right in front of you. This can seem like a lot, but look at it this way. This not only keeps you updated on the latest trends, but also offers opportunities to network with professionals and potential employers, so you can stay informed and connected. Hey, if you're at Black Hat or DEF CON this year, hit us up. You'll probably see me having coffee at the AppSecEngineer booth or at one of our pre-conference training sessions, also with coffee. Reason number 5, not being a security champion. Many companies offer security champion programs that empower employees to become liaisons or ambassadors for security within their teams. Being a security champion demonstrates your dedication and expertise in information security. It allows you to work closely with teams across the organization, strengthening your knowledge and influence. It also gives you immediate access to management and the C-suite and sets you apart from the others as a cross-functional expert of sorts. This is by far my favorite starting point to a beefy salary package because it's the easiest. I'll link the Security Champions Focus training guide below. Reason number 6, not seeking mentorship and not being seen. These are 2 sides of the same coin. Finding the right mentor means you will need to start by putting yourself out there. Find experienced professionals in the field who can guide and support you in your career journey. Their insights and advice can be invaluable in helping you overcome obstacles and reach new heights. At the very least, they can help shape your career trajectory. Reason number 7, not constantly learning and upskilling. Information security is a constantly evolving field. Stay ahead of the curve by investing in your education and acquiring new skills. Get your hands dirty with some hands-on labs. Take advantage of those online courses, certifications, and hands-on training to keep your knowledge sharp. Make every Saturday a skill up Saturday. I love this saying. Discipline eats talent for breakfast. Remember, success in information security isn't just about technical skills. It's about actively participating in communities, engaging with industry leaders, and finding your tribe. Being quiet doesn't get you anywhere. Be out there, be seen and heard. For each of these issues, I have linked useful starting points in the description. These are great to give you a jump start, but remember your journey is uniquely yours. And yes, you can pave the way towards that $100,000 salary you've been dreaming of. That's all for today, my fellow AppSec engineers. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Be here for more empowering content. Never stop learning, AppSec engineers.